Google has two powerful AI tools, Gemini and Flow, but they are designed for very different jobs. So which one should you actually use? Intro. Gemini is Google's general purpose AI assistant, while Flow is an AI creative studio focused heavily on generating and editing images and videos. Let's compare them quickly. What is Gemini? Gemini is designed for everyday AI tasks. You can use it to answer questions, write and summarize content, brainstorm ideas, analyze information, work with different types of files, and increasingly handle more advanced AI tasks. Gemini is the better choice when you need an AI assistant for productivity, research, writing, and general problem solving. It also has access to Google's newer generative capabilities, including video creation and editing through Gemini's newer models. What is Google Flow? Flow is much more focused. It was originally built as an AI filmmaking tool and has evolved into a broader creative studio for generating and editing images and videos. You can create scenes, animate images, control camera movements, extend clips, remove or add elements, and build more complex visual projects. Flow also integrates Google's generative models, including Veo and Gemini based capabilities. So, if your main goal is AI filmmaking, video generation, or visual storytelling, Flow is the more specialized option. Gemini versus Flow. The simplest way to look at it is Gemini equal AI assistant, Flow equal AI creative studio. Gemini is better for researching a topic, writing a script, analyzing information, brainstorming, and handling everyday tasks. Flow is better when you already have a visual project in mind and want more creative control over images and video. And importantly, they are not really direct competitors. Google is increasingly connecting Gemini's intelligence with Flow's creative tools. Verdict. So which one should you choose? Choose Gemini if you want an all-purpose AI assistant for work, study, research, and everyday tasks. Choose Google Flow if your priority is creating cinematic AI videos, images, and visual stories. And if you are a content creator, using both together may actually be the best option. So Gemini is your general AI assistant, while Flow is your AI filmmaking workspace. Which one would you choose? Let me know down below in the comments. If you found this video helpful, like it and subscribe for more AI comparisons. Thanks for watching and goodbye.